Can you tell us when you move? Can you tell us how much is your pain from 0 to 10?
About 5.
About 5. Okay. Can you show with one finger where the problem is? One finger. Oh, okay, right there. So you need to pay attention how far down this is from the joint. So when you go to the opposite knee, you match the proportion. Okay? And when you feel tender, you let her know. And then she's going massage, massage, massage. You can massage strong. Okay, now can you move your elbow and tell us where is your pain? And how much?
It's better.
Very good. From 0 to 10?
2.
2. Very good. So you can give her 30 euro. And she deserves a big clap. Right now, where do you feel the pain? So it's also here and going to the arm.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Now I would like you gently to try your arm again. Tell me where is the pain. It's good. You don't have to. Yeah, you don't have to look for it. It's not as good. Okay. So very good. Now we just need to work. Is it? Am I correct here?
It's a bit more this way. Yeah.
No,
I think it's
like
around
here. Okay. Needle here and another one here. Okay. Now we'd like you to try again. You move your arm gentle.
I can't feel it right now.
Good. Give me 5. Thank you. Good job.